YouTube. Kinsa maning nakablo na aning kugihan kayo ay. Kanang nakablo ba pakita ang dagway. Si Sir Balileng. Di matabang vice. Oh. Kadang mga awarding ceremony led by Sir Cantina and most of the faculty members, si Sir especially si Sir Milan. Sir Milan is roaming around. The others have their rest. But I did not see any balite here around na which is sila ang mga leader. They trust much sa mga leader dito. Oh, tanaw ba itong bata anak ni Ma'am Arikilio. Maanak ni Ma'am Arikilio ini kugihan kayo. Doy. Hala, mayroon pa ba yan? Mag-ina yan, ha? Courtesy of Arikilio's family.